Xong lượn mà đã môi mà. Wow. Yes. This is full one. Wow, great. Ôn lợi tình mà. Rồi mình. Yes. It's great. Natural. Wow. Bạn chơi nó không? Ngồi vô đâu không? Wow. Yes, get a lot of fish. They're fishing in the river. They use the net. So today is so many people, 400 people. They come from the Siem Reap city. Yes, let's go outside. 25 kilometers. The west of the Siem Reap city. That we have a big river. So this river we have a lot of fish. Okay. A lot of fish. Yes, see? Wow, it's great. A little boy. They grill the fish for lunch. For lunchtime, you see. Wow. Nice, delicious fish. Yes, this for relax. Yeah, with their family. Yeah, relax. Very happy with their families. Yeah, they go outside of Siem Reap city, 25 kilometers for fishing. Here for lunch. Lái. Now the net's a little bit and the broken. They just sit down and wow. Mom này ấy bỏ. Oh, trời mình. He's come alone. There's no wife. Yeah, come alone. I don't believe this river have a lot of fish. Xong lượn mà đã môi mà. Wow. Yes. This is full one. Wow, great. Ôn lợi tình mà. Rồi mình. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here if you want to find the good fish, like natural fish, yeah, you can go outside of the Siem Reap city, go to the west of Siem Reap, 25 kilometers here, and then you can see a long river. It's the big river, and then you turn left. Yes, very happy. Looks so very happy. It's on the Sundays. Also in the local people. Yeah, local people. Wow, absolute, everyone. If you like this video, people, they're fishing on the river. Don't forget share, comments, and like my video. Yes. Yeah, look at it. I don't believe this river a lot of fish. Yeah. Here. Wow, great. Some they use in the smaller waterfall. Yeah, this little girl, you see? Many people, many people. Yeah, under shade of the banyan tree. You see, this and the big banyan tree. Yeah, 400 or 500 years old. This banyan tree, and can make the big shade for the people here for lunch, for sleeping, and for sit down and drinking, and many. Look at. Wow, so great, so great, so great. Yeah, I will to take photo of the fish to show. These people come to fishing. You see here, fishing. So a lot. You see so many. And this river, a lot of fish. See, a lot of fish. Yes, you see here. Wow. So many people. 300 or 400 people. Look at these guys. How they collect fish, you see here. Yeah. 3 people, see. They collect from the bottom. Wow. Oh. Modern. There's 2 or 3 nets. See? Just come to college. Here, if you like this video, please share, comments. Yeah, share, comments to all your friends. It's Cambodian fishing. Get maybe 30 kilogram. Got it? Wow. Something. Wow, he get one. See? Wow, it's great. Good job. Wow. Wow. Catfish, the big one. See here?